In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Autocat on existing data in Tiller. If you've recently set up your Autocat rules or you've been categorizing by hand and want everything to snap into place, this quick process will apply your rules across the transactions you already have. It saves time, improves consistency, and helps your budget reports make immediate sense. Start inside your Tiller spreadsheet with the Tiller Money Feed sidebar visible. In that sidebar, make sure you're on the Autocat tab. That tab is where your rules live, and it's the place that controls how Tiller evaluates your transactions. Being on the correct tab ensures you're working with the exact rule set you intend to use. Next, click the Run Autocat button. This is the command that tells Tiller to go to work. When you click it, Autocat begins scanning your transaction sheet from top to bottom, looking for entries that match the patterns and conditions you've defined. Expect a short pause while it processes. The duration depends on how many transactions you have and how many rules are in play. During this time, it's best to let the sheet sit so Autocat can make changes without interruption. Here's what happens behind the scenes. Autocat reads each row on the transaction sheet and compares it against your rules in order. When it finds a match, it applies the fields you've specified, typically category, sometimes description, tags, notes, or other assignments you've configured. More specific rules tend to take precedence because Autocat evaluates from top to bottom, so the arrangement and clarity of your rules matter. The end result is uniform categories, cleaner descriptions, and consistent labeling across historical data. You'll know it's finished when the interface becomes responsive again. At that point, your transaction sheet should reflect the logic you designed, aligning past entries with the same standards you expect going forward. This pass does not import new data, it simply updates existing rows according to your rules. It also doesn't delete transactions, rather it fills in or overwrites fields you've told it to manage, making your budgets, trends, and dashboards immediately more accurate. If anything looks off after a run, that typically means a rule could be refined for specificity or order. Tightening your match text or clarifying conditions usually resolves unexpected outcomes, and Autocat can be run again whenever you're ready. That's all there is to it. Confirm you're on the Autocat tab, click Run Autocat, and let it apply your rules across your transaction sheet so your existing data becomes clean, consistent, and ready for analysis.